Balikin ko yan doon.
Wait, anak, cleaner ka ha?
Yung may iwan ka doon ha. Yung tatlo kayo may iwan doon ha.
Po.
Naglilinis kayo ng room daw ha.
Palalabasan na amin ang mumuna ako lalabas.
Ako nun, ganyan din ha?
Oo, na-cleaner. Kami nag-cleaner kami. Elementary.
Pabawasan mo, no? Hindi nga makakain yun.
Kaya ka nalugaw muna, Christoph, na mamaya na cellphone mo. Nak ng makain eh.
Breathe. Do not drop the dumbbells. Just repeat after me. Don't drop the dumbbells and breathe.
Saan ba
Dude,
polo
it's
ba?
simple,
Nakalog.
like eating soup with a spoon. Look, you pick the spoon and eat the soup. You pick the spoon and eat the soup. You pick the spoon and eat the soup. Have you ever used a spoon before?
Ba't tinuluwa mo?
They feed you
Kaya
the
may
straw, yeah?
gulay.
Come on, man. It's simple. Please. What? We need to talk.
Hallelujah.
Yo, I'll be right
Ayan,
back.
wala na oh.
Don't break a dumbbell or
Luya.
anything.
Ayan, wala na. Mama, wala na.
Yeah, that's right. That
Subukan
is
mo lang
better.
ito para mabilis eh.
What's up?
Planchahin ko muna.
Also, as soon as possible. Understand?
Oh, parang dyan. Paplansya ko po lang.
Oh.
Get ready.
Para maganda naman tigla.
We have an important visitor, Mr. Pat. He's looking to invest big money into a gym. Do you know what it means?
Ayan.
Yeah.
Ma, ako
Yeah,
kasabot
what
sa
about your
plato.
treadmills? No, you dummy. I don't give a damn about
Matapos
that.
yan, last
Go on
na
the
ha.
race. Look,
Ay,
I've
kumain
been
ka.
here for 2 years, and I'm still making the same crappy salary. Daddy needs a new car.
Dito ka ba ka dyan? Kain ka pa.
Basta.
Oh, ikot ka na naman ha.
Polo ko. Paplansyahin mo.
Parang dyan, parang dyan. Papalansya ka na lang, mama niligo.
Ah, anak ka.